Now question number 3 of Brain Teasers, chapter 4, direct and inverse variation. Third number is, if x and y vary inversely and x is equal to 25 when y is equal to 3, find y when x is equal to 15. We have x and y. When x is 25, y is equal to 3. We have written here 25 and y is 3. We have to find the value of y when x is equal to 15. When x is 15, let y is equal to a. So you write down, let y is equal to a. Now there is inverse variation, and we know that in inverse variation x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2, or xy is equal to constant. Therefore 25 multiply 3 is equal to 15 multiply a. That implies a is equal to 25 multiply 3 divided by 15. Now you can find the value of a. Question number 4. If x and y vary inversely and y is equal to 45, find x when constant of variation is 9. Here you are given the constant of variation, that means xy is given, x into y is equal to 9. In inverse variation, xy is constant. Now x multiply y is 45 and the constant of variation is 9. That implies x is equal to 9 divided by 45, and you can find the value of x. Question number 5. Oranges cost rupees 54 for 3 dozens in the supermarket. What is the cost of 8 oranges? Now what is the cost of 3 dozen? 3 dozen means 12 3 is 36 oranges, and their cost is 54. We have number of oranges and the cost of oranges. What is the cost of 8 oranges? Let the cost of 8 oranges be rupees a, and we have to find the value of a. Now this is the case of direct variation. There is direct variation. Therefore 36 divided by 54 is equal to 8 divided by a, and now you can find the value of a. 6 number. A car travels 60 km in 1 hour 30 minutes. How long will it take to cover a distance of 100 km at the same speed? In this question we have speed as constant. Now first of all, 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes means 1 whole 30 by 60 hour. 30 minutes can be written as 30 by 60 hour, or 1 by 2 hour, or 2 1 2 1 3 by 2 hour. Now the distance is 60 and the time taken is 3 by 2. Now the distance is 100 km, and let the time taken be a. We have to assume let the time taken be a. Now distance time, we know that the variation between distance and time is direct variation. There is direct variation, and in direct variation x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Therefore we can write 60 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 100 divided by a. That implies 60 divided by 3 into 2 is equal to 100 by a. That implies 3 1 ja 3, 3 20 ja 60, 22 ja 40 is equal to 100 by a. That implies a is equal to 100 by 40. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 5 by 2 hours. is hour in expressed in hour. So 5 by 2 hour, or 2 1 by 2 hour. 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5 hour, or we can also write 2 hour. Half means 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes. You can also change 1 by 2 hour means 1 by 2 into 60 minutes is equal to 30 minutes. So 2 hour 30 minutes is the required answer.